Ooh, buddy, the trap is real. The trap. It's either gonna roll or it's gonna pop. NASDAQ. Oof. Wowzers. There's the pullback we were looking for. NASDAQ. Can't stop. Won't stop, they said. NASDAQ. Can't stop. Won't stop, they said. Yeah, straight down right now. Not today, buddy. Not today. Oof. The trap.
I mean, come on. That was pretty epic. That was pretty fucking epic, to be honest. One of my YouTube subscribers made that little reel, or I guess little song. So funny. I heard it. I was like, oh, I got to put that on the stream for sure. I got to put that on the stream. So good morning, good morning, good morning. We are live. We're doing it. It's Wednesday. We got PPI report this morning. The NASDAQ up to the 630s here. We had some kind of choppy action, was looking for possible breakout when those numbers came out. We rode the 14 EMA. We're up there to the 30s right now. So, well, what do we got? What do we got, Patrick? What's the plan, Stan? Well, we're going to find out here very, 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 very soon. I don't know. We're getting it ready. We're getting it ready. All right. All right. Patience, my friends. Patience. All right. Let's pull up the price action concepts here. Get an idea of where the levels are, what the action is looking like today. I got to play that later on today. I'm going to play that intro one more time later. I'm going to play it like right at 9:30 so everyone gets all fucking hyped up, boys. Gets all fucking hyped up there. All right, all right. I gotta see if I can pull it up here
again. Ooh, buddy, the trap is real.
All right, we're good. All right, I want to play this later so everybody can hear it. It was that good. All right, the NASDAQ right now, bullish, bullish, bullish. We've got a pivot point to the upside there at the 650s. Talk about a move yesterday. Oh my baby Jesus. I want to show you guys this move yesterday off of the VWAP. It's funny because I made that video and then look at the fucking move. This is yesterday's chart, the VWAP down there at the 466s. And we went over 100 points after that bounce off the VWAP. Gotta love the VWAP bounce, baby. Gotta love the VWAP bouncy. Absolutely insane move there for the VWAP bounce. That white line there on the 5-minute chart just do. And 100 points off of the VWAP. I posted it on Twitter as well yesterday. So if you're not following me on Twitter, hit me up on Twitter at Wieland Trades. All right. If you guys haven't hit that like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. Let's break it down just like we always do. It's time to party. Wednesday morning. Tomorrow morning, I will be live on Topstep TV, by the way. Topstep TV tomorrow morning. Sometimes there's just too much stuff going on here. I got to get rid of some of that. It's just a little crazy looking. All right. Pivot points here. We got a pivot point there at the 50s. Yesterday's high is here at the 613s. 613 previous day high. We got a pivot point to the downside down there at the 521s. If we pull up the chart here on the hourly right now, we got this little breakout. We had a nice overall, very, very kind of, solid consolidation. I think, Jay, Jay, you made the intro, right? Jay's in the chat right now. So give a big round of applause. Big round of applause to Jay for that intro. We'll play it again here in a little bit once we get more people on the stream to get everybody fucking pumped up for the morning action. So right now on the hourly chart, getting this big breakout there. I think we are going to be, what, pushing up into all-time highs pretty soon? No, we got a little bit further to go. All-time highs be up there at the 17,000s. So right now, 16,632. We broke out here on the daily chart. Look at this bull move. Just green, 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 green. 16,865. So today we've got FOMC meeting. Got the FOMC news, interest rate decision. I might do I'll probably do a live stream around 2 o'clock. Maybe I'll get off here at like 11 and then come back for the 2 p.m. FOMC end of day action. So we'll see how she goes. Right now, that daily chart, green, 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 and pretty much closing at the highs every day as well. So, you know, they say when the market wants to go higher, it wants to go higher. I think that's what they say, something like that. I don't know for sure, but it's just what I've heard. It's just what I've heard. When the market wants to go up, it wants to go up. So that's the theory. I'm gonna fix up these lights really quickly, make me look better here. How's that look? Oh yeah, oh yeah. The lighting is magical. So the highs so far today, 35.75. This fucking move, I was watching this move after the PPI report, and it's just been going higher and higher. All right. All right, so looking here, like I said, 15-minute chart, hourly chart right now. We got a pivot point that we held pretty much all night long, 591s down there. We've got this hourly volume kind of imbalance there, 621 area. We've got that overnight resistance pretty much, you know, like right across there. That 15 level was overnight resistance. We broke through that, and we haven't made a big move so far, but we'll see. Right now, the NASDAQ, the ES, both pushing up. The dollar selling off here. Dollar selling off. And kind of this 20 area there on the hourly chart. 15-minute chart, you can see kind of that overnight resistance there at like that 15 level. So previous day high at the 15s as well. So, all right. Preslov trades. I think you're still on the old contracts. I think you're still on the old contracts, my friend. We're on the March contracts currently. If we look here on the 15-minute chart, we got a pivot point up there. Pivot point 651s. 651 pivot point to the upside. Dollar selling off right now. We've got the previous day high and overnight resistance down there at the 15s. We've got FOMC today. FOMC. You never fucking know what's going to happen. FOMC, it's a wild ride, my friends. If you've not experienced FOMC before, I don't know what you've been doing. I've had too many experiences with FOMC. I've had too many, man. Too many. I got PTSD from all the FOMCs over the years. 7 years of FOMC trading. And it brings a tear to my eye thinking about it. Oh man, oh man, oh man. Trying to figure out what I'm going to listen to some music today. Let's see. Let's see what we got here. Let's play some music. Music. What is the name of the Patrick Wieland indicator in TradingView? Come on. Come on. How is it this hard, people? Fuck it, eh? Right there. Lux Algo, market flow, trend lines, and liquidity. Market flow, trend lines, and liquidity right there. We've also got a deal going on right now with the Market Flow Trader community. If you want to sign up, it's only $150 a month now. Subscription model set up. 1 out of 5 new members get a free month. So it's like you roll the dice, baby. If you're one of that 5, you get a free month there. It's for the 1 year anniversary. 1 year anniversary for Market Flow Trader. We launched the Market Flow Trader community back there in 2022 January, pretty much the beginning of this year. And now we have over like 1,500, 1,700 members. Lots of members. So many members. We got Sage doing the live stream every day. The community is growing. It's big. It's popping. And yeah. Do you dye your beard? Yeah, no, I don't dye my beard. If I was dyeing my beard red, that'd be some serious problems. I don't know. That seems a little suspect. A little suspect. I know I wanted to call it the Patrick Wieland indicator, but I guess TradingView did not like the idea of me having my name on the indicator. So, fuckers. Too much promotion, they said. Do you know if Sage was part of another trading community called High Strike? I'm not sure. You'd have to ask him. I know he's been around for fucking 20 years or so. Yeah, I don't know. I can't put my name in it. I don't know. It's Lux Algos. It's their indicator. It's not mine. Do my friends call me Redbeard? No. Business is all about promotion. Where has TV been? Fuck does that mean? TradingView? Oh, TradingView. Yeah. TV. I'm like, the TV? I'm running ads on TV now. Late night ads on Home Shopping Network. Learn to day trade with Patrick Wieland every morning, 9 a.m. Come join us, Home Shopping Network. Got to get all the old retired women. Get all the grannies in here, baby. Get all the grannies trading up in here. Will Topstep be adding your Lux algo to Topstep X? I don't know exactly. I don't know. We're waiting to see. Yeah, Jay, just keep on making me some good adverts, baby. All right, now pulling back here, 2-minute chart. We got the 14 EMA. I don't know. I don't really want to get long up here at the top after this breakout move. I would like a little bit of a pullback, you know, give me a little bit of a pullback. A little bit of pullback, right? Nothing wrong with a little bit of pullback. We can all use a little bit of a pullback sometimes. Nothing wrong with that. So, a little pullback, always a little fun. Little pullback, little fun. All right. If you guys haven't hit that like button, help me out. Blow up that like button. It's free to like, by the way. Those muscles. Oh, man. Put my guns away. This is YouTube. Can't be putting my guns on YouTube. All right. Right now, you can see this 15-minute candle. Not looking too hot. Really wicky to the top. We got 3 minutes to close here on this candle. I would like... If we retest that breakout level, would be beautiful. Would be really nice. We are pulling back into that 14 EMA right there. Youssef, Patrick, would you please tell me how much is the first payout bonus on Topstep? I think they just refund you for the cost of the combine, I believe. I'm not 100% sure. I think it's the cost of the combine they refund you for. So, and by the way, I will be on Topstep TV tomorrow morning. Topstep TV, Patrick Wieland takeover. So make sure you guys tune in over there. Let everybody know where you come from, where you came from, where you been. Where do you normally hang out at? Let them know. So yesterday we talked a lot about I made a video talking about the VWAP yesterday, how nice that VWAP was. The VWAP right now down at the 16,609s. I would love to see that VWAP bounce here at open. VWAP bouncing would be really, Really nice, right? Look at the VWAP down there at the 16609s. I do think, you know, the VWAP opportunities are always going to be the safest opportunities. Patrick, can you only use TradingView for your trading? Yes. You can do whatever you want, actually. Getting pumped up over here. If you complete Combine, do you need money to get funded account? Yeah, it's an activation fee, $149. All right, right now, I got the VWAP down there, the 609s. The hourly chart right now, I got this big old boner candle. We had a lot. Look at the yesterday, the move off of the VWAP yesterday. Over 100-point move straight up. Hourly candle, green, 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 green. I don't know. Crazy. I'll probably do a short live stream this morning and then do a live stream after 2 o'clock or at 2 o'clock for the FOMC. So maybe do like, we'll trade till 11. I'll go to lunch. I'll come back. We'll do the FOMC live stream. So stay tuned for that later on today. Tune back in for the FOMC party. Can you have any drawdown on the first trade of the XFA account? Yes, you can have, you got $3,000 or $4,500 total drawdown on the XFA. So you don't have to make money on the first trade. We're going to have to put our... put our glasses on for this one. Hey, it's got to be wild today, boys. Anyone see the trailer for Willy Wonka? Willy Wonka looks pretty good. The new Wonka movie. Not gonna lie, I'm definitely gonna go see that. Definitely gonna go see the new Willy Wonka movie. I don't know if that's funny to say or not, but it looks pretty sick. Hey, I'm not afraid to admit that the Willy Wonka movie looks like a good time. All right, we're pulling back here into the 14 EMA. I still just think we need to like put in a higher low, you know, down into here. Kind of down into here maybe. We got that pivot point to the upside up there at the 651s. If we can't, I would say if we can't hold this level here at the 600 or so, then we, you know, definitely probably move down a little bit more, maybe move back down into like this level. So we really want to see this kind of VWAP. VWAP's like right here, right? So the VWAP's like right here at this level. So we either are going to bounce before the VWAP or maybe we come down into here and then we get that push up off the VWAP. So I passed my challenge in 2 months and without blowing, and now in the XFA I have fear. What to do? Trade small size. Trade the micros. Just size down to a point where you no longer have fear, you know? And then once that happens, just start building up the confidence and then start sizing back up. I think is the best way to trade it, to build up that confidence. Right now, we're looking at the 15-minute chart here. And the 2-minute chart right now, bouncing off this 14 EMA. We pulled back kind of into this breakout level that we were stuck at earlier. Dollar's pushing back up right now. VWAP looks like a play today. Do you always wait for a candle to close? Confirmation bounce off the VWAP? I mean, it really comes down to your risk tolerance. Sometimes you just got to fucking pull the trigger for that bounce off the VWAP, anticipating that level gets bounced. So there's two ways to play it, I guess. The problem is, like, if you're going to buy the bounce off the VWAP, if it doesn't bounce, like, pretty much right away, like, if it doesn't, like, if you don't start seeing, like, you know, a bounce happening, you got to get out. So that's one thing I would say. If you get in, you know, if you get in and it don't bounce, well, then you got to get the fuck out. Dollar right now pushing back up here. The 2-minute chart pulling back here into the 14 EMA. We got the VWAP down at the 09s. I'd love to see that VWAP bounce. Why do you prefer trading with Quant Tower compared to TradingView? Well, I think TradingView is just too laggy. Quant Tower is better setup. Have you ever been to Beach House in Pompano Beach? I actually went there on Saturday, last Saturday. If we get 500 likes here on the stream, we're going to do the poll, the famous poll. I think this might be the #1 poll on YouTube. #1 poll on YouTube, baby. Good morning, Ramses. All right, right now we're looking at the 2-minute chart. We got this breakout, but 15-minute chart, this is kind of what my game plan is here, I would say. This is the VWAP down here at like this 09 level. There's two ways that we kind of play this. We're either going to bounce kind of off that previous overnight high area, kind of into this, where that, or maybe like down into this level. I think if we get down below this overnight high, then we definitely test the VWAP. Then the question is, do we break through the VWAP? Kind of, maybe we do this, right? Like maybe we kind of pull back into here, we turn that into resistance, then we move down. So both the ES, the NASDAQ, both pulling back right now. We'll see how she goes. We got FOMC today. FOMC meeting. We got interest rate decision. Going to be a lot of action. Like always, be prepared for anything, my friends. It's the fucking market. Dogs get fed. Bulls make money. Bears make money. Pigs get slaughtered. You're thinking shorts this morning. I'm thinking nothing, or as of right now. I'm thinking that I want to see two things happen. I either want to see us pull back into this. We bounce. We got the VWAP right there. We bounce off the VWAP. We then push up here to that pivot point at the 650s. Or the other play is we get down in here, we lose that, and then we start to move down. If we get below the VWAP, it's a short. If we get above the VWAP, we bounce off the VWAP, it's a long. There's two ways that I'm looking at it right now. Or I guess there's three ways actually as well. If we just fucking go straight up from here. I don't love the straight up move, to be honest. Right now the dollar pushing back up. The dollar needs a little bit of a push back up there. So John, the dollar chart is 10 minutes behind. It should not be 10 minutes behind. It should be live. Like right now mine's live, so I don't know why yours is. Maybe you got to pay for the action, for the data, the live data. Right now, sitting here at the 25, this is where we broke out earlier on this chart right now. So we'll see how she plays. I want to show you guys this little, you got to listen to this. This is fucking hilarious. Get ready. You got to listen to this shit. It's pretty good. You ready? So Jay, he's in our chat right now. He actually made this little like song for me to play for the intro. And if you don't tune in for the intro, well, then you probably didn't hear this. But let's play it right here. Watch this shit.
Ooh, buddy, the trap is real. The trap. It's either gonna roll or it's gonna pop. NASDAQ. Oof. Wowzers. There's the pullback we were looking for. NASDAQ. Can't stop, won't stop, they said. NASDAQ. Can't stop, won't stop, they said. Yeah, straight down right now. Not today, buddy. Not today.
Oof.
trap.
Pretty sick, pretty sick. Big thanks to Jay for making that little track. That was pretty awesome. So we're doing it. I got my own song, baby. Big thanks to Jay for putting that on. Pretty funny. Little intro for the live stream. DJ Jay in the chat. So yeah, no, I think there's gonna be more to come. There's always some good sound bites. Always some good sound bites from the live stream. So we got 7 minutes. 7 minutes. Don't go chasing waterfalls. Maybe he can make a hole with Creed. When can you take me higher? One of those in there. Put that in there, baby. Maybe a little Patrick. All right. Right now, we're pulling back here. We're sitting at the 14 EMA. We'll see how she plays. We still got plenty of time. We got 7 minutes. We got 500 likes on the stream yet. Can we do the poll? Let's do the poll. Come on, people. Blow off the like button. I'm gonna do some Linkin Park impressions late soon. I'm about to break. It's about to break. It's about to break. That's a good one. Linkin Park. I'm about to break. Right now, the ES pulling back, the NASDAQ pulling back here, both sitting pretty much right where this breakout happened earlier after the PPI report. So we'll see how she plays. So realistically, I would love to see that VWAP area down there right now. The VWAP is at the... VWAP's at like the 10. 10's on the VWAP. So... I'd like to see that VWAP area get tapped here at open. If we can hold that VWAP level, then we look for the pushback up. If we can't hold it, we'll probably pull back. Right now on Spotify, I'm just listening to Dance Rising. Dance Rising, baby. Getting pumped up. Feel good music. What's the name of your indicator? Come on. If I get one more person to ask me what the name of the fucking indicator is, it's Lux Algo, market flow, trend lines, and liquidity. Come on, people. Get on the fucking bandwagon. There's that dump. Oh, look at that. Patrick Wieland. Ooh, she's pulling back. She's pulling back. Oh, look at that. Oh, buddy. Don't say I didn't tell you so. All right, let's get down there to that VWAP. VWAP. That's the overnight high that we're coming into right now. Coming into the overnight high. We got that pivot point up there at the 650s. And let's see what happens. Right now, dumping here. Somebody must have tweeted something or talked about something about a 10-point dump right there into the overnight high right now. So it's anyone's guess. All right, let's do the poll here. Up or down? Up or down we go. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Who's gonna be right today? Do. Woke up this morning, I went for a little walk, did the bike for an hour, a little stationary bike for an hour, got the pump on, got my energy out, but I'm already fucking all energized again. Sometimes I just want to be like, I want to like be relaxed. I don't know why I get so much. It's the live stream. You guys do it to me. You guys do it to me. You guys fucking, you do it every time. You do it every time to me. You get all pumped up. All right, we have just now pulled back And yeah, that's a decent pullback there. Now the question is, what happens here at open? We're at the VWAP. VWAP's coming up here. We got a little bit lower to go for the VWAP touch. Let's see how she plays. We got 2 minutes here. Right now, the pull. There's the VWAP. There's the pullback we've been looking for. Let's see if she actually is a pullback or a dump here after the PPI numbers. The up 58% up, 42% down here. All right, all right. I'm not going to take a trade until the market opens here, but there's what we were looking for, that pullback into the VWAP here. We've now pulled back basically into the London range from the overnight, so we will see. We got the short signal there from the 18s down to the 07s, little 10-pointer. Little 10-pointer here on the Patrick Wieland indicator. Not bad, not bad. See, people will be like, Patrick, you never tell us when to buy and sell. Well, there's an indicator now that'll tell you exactly what to do. Well, not exactly, but you think we'll get chop until the FOMC? Hey, that's also a very big possibility. We got 2 minutes here until the market opens, a little less than 2 minutes. And if you guys haven't hit that like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. Hit that, blow it up. We are live every fucking day doing it here. We're live. Let's go. 1 minute. Market dumping straight down right now through the VWAP right there. Ooh, will this be a trap? Will we continue to dump here? Will we rip to the upside? What is going to happen? We're going to find out, my friends. It is anyone's guess. The poll was 57% up, 42% down. Right now, we are just going straight down here. So I'm not sure I want to buy the dip just yet. This is kind of what we were afraid of happening. Well, maybe not afraid of, but kind of what we were thinking was going to happen here. This pullback into open. I just did not want to get long up there at the 30s. So at least I hopefully I saved you guys from trying to get long at the fucking top up there. Both the ES and NASDAQ straight down right now. The dollar not really making much of a move. We got the overnight low down there at the 95s or so. So we'll see how that 90 area plays. And we are now open for business. Right now at the VWAP here. Can they save the VWAP? Keep the VWAP dreams alive. At the 11s here. At the 11s there. Right now, the 12s. I'm going to try it right here long, see if it'll bounce up through the 15s, 17s. I'm going to just move my stop right there, 14s. These are going to rip up here nicely there. Oh, my God. 19s. Oh, got stopped at the 20s. Beautiful. Fucking 12s to the 20s. I'll take it. Still ripping higher. Right off the VWAP, boys and girls. Right off the VWAP. Woo, buddy. Come on. Who's doing it like this? Nobody.
Ooh, buddy, the trap is real.
Nobody. She's still going, boys.
The trap.
Holy fucking fuck. Holy fucking fuck. What a beautiful move that was, right off the VWAP, just like we talked about earlier.
There's the
this
pullback
morning.
we were looking for.
Up there to the 30s. I think she can still go a little bit higher here to get to the 30s. Be looking for
Can't stop.
that pivot point to the upside to the 50s or so. We now push right back up there to the 30s. Can we go all the way?
Can't stop.
Let's see what happens here. The ES not doing the same. The ES still making new lows. The NASDAQ back up there to the 28, 25, 30 level. She still wants it higher, though. Oh, my baby Jesus. Ooh, Patrick Wieland. Oh, the music was playing. Sorry. Ooh, I don't know why the music was playing there. Sorry. Oh, that was funny. There she goes. Oh, my God. Still ripping. I took one more trade here. Through the 30 break. Up there, just a quick little scalp. She's still ripping. 40s. Going. Oh, my baby. We're looking for that VWAP bounce there at open. We pushed up there the pivot point at the 51s. So, are you kidding me?
Ooh, buddy, the trap is real.
Go, boys and girls. We're here to win.
The trap.
We are here to fucking win, boys.
Is it gonna roll or is it gonna pop? NASDAQ.
Was it playing again? I don't know why it keeps playing. Sorry about that. I'm gonna take it off there. I don't know why it keeps replaying. Apologize. I apologize. What the fuck? I mean, are you guys not impressed? Look what we did. You guys, let's just go over it one more time. Look what happened. Look what happened. Where did we bounce? Where did we bounce at? Right off the VWAP. Once I saw we were holding the VWAP, we're in long. We are taking that push, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Boys and girls. Girls and boys. Fucking A. VWAP bouncy bounce. Right up there off the VWAP. Gotta love it. Can we get some more is the question now. We got this 14 EMA. I like to see that 14 EMA act as support, and then we can maybe get that all the way up there through the 50s next. Would be kind of ideal. Trying to bounce around here, looking like a little bull flaggy for now. Got the 15-minute range, still waiting for that play on the 15-minute range. The ES not bouncing really here, so I don't know if the NASDAQ's just really leading here and we're waiting to see what's going to happen. Not looking too hot right now with the ES selling. Dollar still pushing back up here, so the question is, who's lagging here? Is the NASDAQ going to rip through this and the ES is going to follow? Somebody's lagging. We're lagging here. There's a lagger. We got a lagger. Not sure which one it's going to be here. Back up there through the 30s now. Right off the 14 EMA for now. Still looking bullish here. Look at the ES, the NASDAQ, both ripping through the moon here. Up to the 40s again. Right off that fucking 14 EMA bounce. Oh my baby Jesus. We should go to the 50s now, I think. We get through this 40 area, push up there towards the 50s or more. Can we go all the way to the 50s? That pivot point to the upside up there. Pivot point at the 50s right there. 51s, 45s. Let's go all the way to the 50s here. Oh, buddy. Oh, buddy. Trying to get to the 50 push. We are up. We are down. We are ripping. Shorts about to get their faces fucking ripped off here. Up there to the 50s. Go, 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 go. Go, gonna go, gonna go, gonna go, gonna go, 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 go. Oh! So close. She's going. She's going 50s. Let's go all the way to the 50s here. All the way to the 50s. Holding here at the 45s. Trying to go 50s. Trying to go 50s. Trying to go 50s on it. She wants it. She wants that 50 push. 46s, 47s again. Go right to the 50s there, boys and girls. 46s, 50s coming up. The ES having a little bit of trouble, but see if the NASDAQ will rip through there. 47, 48s. Again, 48s. Tap, tap, tapping. 49, 50 break. Come on. Come on. Right to the pivot point. Oh my baby Jesus. Ah. Did the market do exactly what we thought it would do today? Yes. Yes, it did. Go ahead and rewind the fucking stream. Look at the bounce off the VWAP, right up to the pivot point. Let's go. Right there. Let's go. Play the music. All right, they want the music. Here we go. It's happening. Putting it back on. It's happening.
Oh, buddy, the trap is real. The trap. It's either gonna roll or it's gonna pop. NASDAQ. Oof. Wowzers. There's the pullback we were looking for. NASDAQ. Can't stop. won't stop, they said. NASDAQ can't stop, won't stop, they said. Got it straight down right now. Not today, buddy. Not today.
Through the 50s now. Through the 50s.
The trap.
We had the buy signal there on the 1 minute chart right there. So. Gotta love it. There's the patch of Wieland, the breakout through the 30s up there to the 55, 56.
Ooh, buddy,
still going.
57s.
Holy guacamole, boys and girls.
The trap.
Holy guacamole.
Eat NASDAQ. Oof. Wowzers. There's the pullback.
Holy guaca fucking moly. I know it's playing again. I got it. It's deleted now. We love to see it. We love to fucking see it, boys and girls. All right, the 15-minute range now. We'll see how this plays out. We're getting stuck at the highs for now at the 50s. Got that 14 EMA to the downside there. Getting a little overextended now, so let's see what happens here next. I mean, the funny part is, guys, did it or did it not do exactly what we drew before the market opened? Am I fucking delusional? Am I delusional here? Did I draw this? I think I drew it. I just can't remember exactly. I'm not sure. I think I drew it on the dot. Gotta love it. The dollar's still pushing up there. Dollar's pushing up here still. If you guys haven't hit that like button, go ahead and blow up that like button. It's free to like, by the way. So don't be afraid. Showed you guys the live trade this morning as well. So what a time to be alive.
One of the things, like overnight, if you were using that weekly kickoff high as a kind of a pivot level, you're long above, short below, you just got chewed up last night. Yeah. Sean's right. The only people that made money last night were
All right, now trying to be patient, let it kind of play out, see what's going to happen here. Got the VWAP down there again at the 19s. NASDAQ is just on a fucking ripper right now. Back up to the 50s there. ES down at the lows. The NASDAQ still trying to hold up here at the 40s. I think we got to get a little bit more of a pullback here, maybe into the 30s or so, kind of down into this level. If we're going to go higher again. Dollar just kind of going straight up here. So I don't love the idea of getting super long up here right now with the dollar showing all that strength. I think the NASDAQ's got to pull back here some. Remember, today is FOMC, by the way. FOMC today. I'll be back live for the FOMC later on today, but what a day. What a day. Beautiful trade this morning for everybody. We had it all laid out before the market even fucking opened. So there's that pullback. This is what I wanted to be careful about or careful of.
Yeah, I think it would depend on the context of how you use VWAP. I think if you're going to use it as a directional indicator, as some kind of key level to go long from it or short from it, that could be a little bit skewed because you have to match the type of a day that you have. And using VWAP as a directional indicator is not really how I prefer to use it. There are very few occasions when I would actually execute the trade from VWAP. In a lot of the times, I really use it as a target, usually on responsive days, because it tends to be, because it's a moving average weighted by the volume traded, right? So in that regard, it's kind of the middle of the middle. And middles of the middles are excellent targets, especially on ranging days. So if you use it for anything else, yeah, obviously you have to take into account that it is volume weighted. So if there's like FOMC rate decision, you may want to take a little pinch of salt. And then use it as a supportive factor rather than kind of be all and end all area that you're going to either exit or enter a trade.
What's the bands about?
It is a second standard deviation, and I like to use the VWAP second standard deviation. A lot of people use Bollinger Bands, which is what they are, but the difference is that Bollinger Bands have just the moving average as its measure of how you get the standard deviations.
All right, we got the VWAP down here at the 20s.
The VWAP second standard deviation obviously uses VWAP. So it's again, with a pinch of salt, right? It has to be the right kind of day for those sort of plays. For me,
I just don't like how the ES is sitting down at the lows. The NASDAQ, the ES, both very just wishy-washy right now. Remember, today is FOMC. FOMC today, so...
I am not doing anything close to a band, like a Bollinger Band. I'm going to make mine black, like the background, so I don't see it. Because I don't want to.
NASDAQ sitting here at the 20s. The ES looking low, it's sitting at the lows right now. ES at the lows. The dollar looking like she wants to push up here. We pushed up through the pivot point. Remember, we had that pivot point up there. We tapped the pivot point. So that was our target. We knew that the pivot point was what we were looking for upside potential. And, well, we got denied there. So at this point, you're like, you really have to wait for something bullish to happen to get excited. 15-minute range. We have not broken out of the 15-minute range yet, by the way. So, 5-minute chart right now, we're pretty much in the middle of that 15-minute range. We're below the 14 EMA now on the 5-minute chart, which is not a very good sign. The 1-minute chart pulling back here as well. If we break this opening range, if we break the 15-minute opening range, we'll see how she goes. The ES, again, trying to hold up there. We're right there at the VWAP now. Dollar getting stuck at the highs. This is the 1-minute chart on the VWAP right now. I want to switch like the 3-minute chart. And we're going to be testing, looks like we're going to be testing that opening range now. Possibly getting a short signal here as well, but just being patient. Don't really want to do anything right here at right before that opening range break. And we're right there at the VWAP as well. So VWAP opening range break. We are below the 14 EMA. Dollar getting denied kind of at the top of that move up right now. The ES holding the lows. If the NASDAQ, we got the low from earlier at the 16,601. So I'm kind of interested to see how this plays here at the bottom of this opening range, 15-minute opening range now. Back up to the VWAP area again. Now the thing is, question is, do we turn the VWAP into a resistance? We know if we turn the VWAP into resistance, it's not good for the bulls. So that's kind of looking like a good possibility right now. So we got the VWAP at the 20s. We got this volume imbalance there on the 3-minute chart as well. We got that we got previous day high acting as resistance right now at the 18s as well. So dollar pulling back, just being patient here. See how this plays. Very flirting with that 10 level right now. Flirting. $620 sitting there. VWAP right now. We're still holding up here. I think if we get back above VWAP, could start to push back up. We kind of need to get through that 20 level there. We're holding the bottom of this range right now here. Back up there. Got the 14 EMA right there as well, the 26s. So well, the ES, the NASDAQ, sitting here at the lows right now. VWAP right there as well. VWAP turning into resistance right now. Dollar pulling back here. So the dollar got denied. The NASDAQ's at the lows here. Back to the 10s again. The ES not making a new low. The NASDAQ holding up for now. So which way are we going to go? The ES right now holding that 4,700 flat area pretty good. For now, it keeps bouncing around that 4,700 flat, so. NASDAQ just sitting at that opening range area. Still not breaking it. Got that 14 EMA back up to the 21s. See if we test that 14 EMA here. Stuck there at the 20s. Again, that VWAP really turning into resistance for now. If we flip and get back above the VWAP here, VWAP at like this 20 level, if we get back above this VWAP, then I think we can push up. But right now, with the VWAP acting as resistance, not good for the bulls here. We've seen in the past that VWAP turns into resistance and we get a nice move down here. So right now, sitting there at the VWAP. Basically just stuck here for now. The ES just right there at that 4,700 level, chopping around for now. So market is not making up its mind which way it wants to go here. Could just be some sideways choppy action until the FOMC meeting later on today as well. So testing that 15-minute range low again. Still just holding up here. Well, the ES, the NASDAQ, just not moving now. So welcome to FOMC day. Still just sitting right there at the lows here. VWAP resistance. Will they sell it down here? Yeah, that low earlier, there we go. Moving down there through the 15-minute opening range now. And chopped it back up. Took out the 1,600 liquidity down there. Just trapping some liquidity down there at the bottom. And the chop continues here. Just holding that 15-minute opening range right now, really not going anywhere, so no reason to really take a trade here. Need something, you know, to start pushing back up. We're just going flat right now here, so. Still just holding up there. They can't sell it down, so I guess they got to try to pop it around here. Get some liquidity to make a move here. The job is real. Right here below the 14 EMA, just holding on there. The VWAP up there at the 18s. I'd say if we lose this 16,600 area, there's a good chance of pulling back here. We saw kind of this idea of moving down into this 90 balance down there, 87s maybe. But right now, just chopping around here at the 16,600s. Still just holding up down here at the lows. Not looking too hot. At that 15-minute opening range low right now. Just going sideways here for the last 15, 20 minutes. VWAP's up there at the 18s right now. 1875, 20 level. And again, back up to the 10s here. If we can maybe get above the 14 EMA here, maybe we push back up 20 level there again. Test that VWAP again. Like it's doing right now. And got denied at that 14 EMA one more time. Welcome to FOMC day. Might be a good time just to walk away here. Take the profits we made earlier, the easy money, and call it a day. Back up there towards the VWAP right now. We got right to the VWAP again. Will the VWAP turn into resistance here? Let's see. But the ES, the NASDAQ, trying to hold the lows. We're at the VWAP now. If we get back above the VWAP, things get interesting. But as of right now, the VWAP right there. Right there, the VWAP now. Can we flip the VWAP? Both the ES, the NASDAQ trying to push here above the VWAP again. Get back. First time we got back above the 14 EMA here in a minute as well. So see if we're going to try to get back up maybe into that 30 area. If we can keep this momentum. The ES, nice little push back up off the lows, kind of trapped to the downside and just squeeze back up. It's funny, the dollar just popped up there as well. So the dollar just popped up. NASDAQ just popped up here as well. ES popping. NASDAQ up there through the VWAP, through the 22s now. We talked about this exact move happening here, and here we are now. Through the 25s, that push up to the 30s there. It's 10 o'clock. We got FOMC later on today at 2 o'clock, so. You missed it. I think you should have entered long at 16,608. Yeah, well, famous last words. Shoulda, coulda, woulda, my friend. If only I could go back in time and buy at the exact bottom at the 97s today. If only. If only. Would be really nice, actually. One day, I'm going to invent a time machine. It's going to be great. So now we are back up into this 20 range. Could just be exactly where we chop around here. The ES sitting there at the 4,700s. Like I said, that 4,700 area and the ES kind of just holding up over there. Definitely going to be some better action after FOMC today. After 2 p.m. today, should get some better action here. I'll go live for the FOMC meeting later on today. Why not? A little bit of fun. Market kind of holding up here above the 14 EMA right now. Bulls kind of stepping back in. We'll see. They got to get this above 30s to really get excited here. Right there. Back up 25, 26s right there. The ES pushing. NASDAQ also pushing back up here. There's a push to the 30s. Wow. We're ripping off of the 14 EMA right there beautifully. Back above the VWAP. Like I said, flipping the VWAP now, turning the VWAP into support. And we're back up here into the 30s just like that. So what a wild move here. I don't know about wild, but still. Talked about this push back above the VWAP there to the 30s. There we go. And now chop. Got that 30 kind of 6 area up there. If they keep pushing it here, 36s maybe. Oh man, Chipotle's not open till 11, so can't really. Might as well stream till 11, then I'll go Chipotle. Hee hee. Up there into the 30s again.
three sheets to the win on that
Two
one.
right, two wrongs, left.
VWAP bounce again, baby. All right, VWAP, PW.
Cajun Asian. Well, we just got gold here. Gold just took a dump here. You're looking for support. If you need it right away here, go to our Discord channel. We have a support channel there where you can ask your questions. Chop, chop.
I'm short of one guy right here, but man, I've been dead wrong all day.
That makes two of us.
All day.
We're Gucci. We're Gucci. It's been a tough day, honestly.
All day.
Well, hey, just a reminder, boys and girls. Today, like I mentioned earlier, tell your friends, tell your neighbors' friends, whoever. Let's pack the house here today. Let's get some likes, all right? Let's get some likes up here. Don't forget we've got the poem, Michael and Andre. Oh yeah, are going to recite the Hose and Deanna poem. And today we also do have Jared Tendler. Bonnie's going to be with us for Top Quiz. Support, you got questions for support?
All right, so
30 Central. Nick's going to join us from the sport team. And Power Hour, we've got surprise guest. No more surprise because I'm going to tell you. Casper is going to be with us. So
You skip group coaching.
Hell yeah. We have the biggest lineup out of anybody out there that has a show. Biggest future traders lineup in the space. Hands down. Elegant.
Tell him Danielle, that's right.
Yeah.
you're not going to find it anywhere else. No. No other stream, no other prop firm. No matter what.
Well, on CNBC, they're talking about Pfizer's 2024 forecast and how disappointing. So I don't know if that could help you trade. More power to you.
still bouncing. Bounced off that 14 EMA once again here on the.
Watch CNBC, it helps me over.
Look at that. Off the 21s right there, 2-minute chart.
I have something that you're definitely not going to find on CNBC coming up. Yes. All right. Well, we can move to the news real quick.
Yeah.
As we know, it is the Fed rate announcement today. Not a lot of drama there because we mostly focus on the dot plot. I was, however, able to find a copy in advance of Jerome Powell's speech. Oh, really? Yes. Wow. So I want to play it for you now. And MP, I don't care if you have 30 contracts on. I need 1 minute and 30 seconds.
Okay, you got it. You got it.
Without further ado, this is my unique copy I found.
Right now, 14 EMA, that blue line. Just kind of thinking we chop city here for the rest of the day, basically. So.
You want to know if Daddy Powell can still shoot his money gun? MP can have his little fire drills. When I make it go brr, it's a free reset for the whole goddamn economy. So listen closely to this statement. Recent indicators suggest that y'all need to shut the fuck up at a strong pace in Q4. Tighter financial and credit conditions for households are likely to weigh especially hard on your broke ass. Job gains have moderated since earlier in the year.
The blue dots were probably just when I was clicking on. If you click on one of the indicators, it shows these little blue dots. That's why it pops up there.
The committee remains highly attentive to inflation risks, mostly in regard to your mom. And despite the haters, we remain strongly committed to
The dollar's still pushing up.
2% long-run inflation and stealing your girl. In assessing the appropriateness of monetary policy, we will monitor the implications of incoming economic information. The committee's assessment will take into account a wide range of information, including vibes, NVIDIA's share price, and the number of Bugattis I see on my way to Starbucks.
Still showing a lot of at the 30s. I think we get maybe one more breakout to the upside here through the 30s next. Some weird price action right here. The ES trying to push up there through the 03s, 4703s. The NASDAQ right here at the 30s. They're trying to pop it through that 30 level strong right here. Right now, 33, 34s. Got to go through 35s there next. Should try to take at least 35s on this push. Just like that. Almost 35s. Take out that 35 right there. Through the 35, 35, 35, 35, 35s. $34s. Come on. Through the 35s here. Up there to the 35s. Will they pop it through the 35s? The ES up through the 03s. NASDAQ here at the 35. Should try to pop 36s right there. Beautiful little move there. So we're back above the VWAP here. Look at the VWAP turning into support there. And now we're ripping up here 36s or so. So congratulations if you got that beautiful bush. So
Well, Jamie says Topstep TV is my permanent replacement for the dollar bill stern and trading the floor banter from billions. And then the was over. Yeah, all right. Stick around. Pretty good. That's pretty good.
That was really good. Oh, dude.
Made my day.
That was funny.
Oh, shit. We gotta,
So there's that 35 break we were kind of looking for off of the VWAP. Beautiful little move. So we got that pivot point up there at the 51s. We got back above the 14 EMA there. We should have a signal here on the 1 minute chart. We got the breakout signal there from the 30s. But obviously we're in the middle of this range right now. So right there in the middle of the 15-minute range. Today is, you know, FOMC. So
target on opening range trades.
Depends on the situation. I mean, if it's a kind of a breakout or a situation where I'm looking for a directional move that day, there probably won't be one.
So I think it's probably a good time to just either be very, very patient for something to happen or just kind of walk away and wait for FOMC later on today, 2 o'clock. So I'll be back for the 2 o'clock.
First scratch. Patrick, you scared me. He said stay above VWAP. I have the stupid VWAP on here. Don't even know how to read it. I'm just saying that, but I'm learning the VWAP world. I'm not really interested in putting it totally on for my future.
Forever. Right.
No,
I have a little free mini course on my YouTube channel about VWAP. Only 3 lectures, yeah.
Let's get that link in there, Eric, if you got it.
Yeah, I'll watch it.
Yeah, me too.
Hold on. Let me give you the playlist link.
Oh, you got it? Okay. Congratulations, Andy. Passing his 50K combine today.
Good job. Good job.
Tajay, yeah, I scratched that. I'm not sure.
14 EMA again. Holding us up there support-wise, so.
I even did scalping. Come on, guys.
Don't forget to subscribe, because once we hit 50K, that's when we call the caterer.
What are we at right now for subs and subscriptions?
All right, I think, fuck. That 14 EMA bounce was pretty nice there on the 2-minute chart. Look at the 2-minute chart here. Ugh. Sexy. Sexy. So I'll be back here for the 2-minute. Well, back here for the 2-minute. I'll be back here for 2 o'clock for FOMC later on today. And look at that. Right off that 3-minute chart, 14 EMA again.
Put a meeting right at FOMC. So I think,
Trying to tell you something?
if I'm going to ask them why they even want to meet at FOMC,
Maybe he doesn't let you trade.
So
we know I got a risk department.
pretty good with that. I'll take it.
So Nick, if you're listening, let's move that.
2 o'clock. Be back here live on YouTube. I want to go grab some lunch, run a little couple errands, and we'll play the song here for the outro. Let's do it. Playing the song. People love it.
Ooh, buddy, the trap is real. The trap. It's either gonna roll or it's gonna pop. Eat NASDAQ. Oof. Wowzers. There's the pullback we were looking for. NASDAQ. Can't stop. Won't stop, they said. NASDAQ. Can't stop. Won't stop, they said. Yeah, straight down right now. Not today, buddy. Not today. Oof. The trap.
All right, there it is. I'm out of here. I'll see you guys later on.
Ooh,
What do the successful 10% of the people out there have going for them that's different from the others? Community. Hoping and praying is not a strategy. We got people in our community making $10,000 in a day, and I'm just like, we trade without risking our own money. We keep it simple and we trade the market flow.
You can have all the education in the world, but it's not enough.
All these other courses, if you don't get mentoring and guidance on a regular basis, you're gonna be a 7 to 10 year journey.
There are so many people in this community that are more than willing and able to help you out.